In this video, we will learn all about the fault, P0716. What does it mean, symptoms, causes, and how to solve it. We also respond frequent questions related to this error. First, what does error code P0716 mean? Error code P0716 indicates a problem with the transmission's input speed sensor or turbine speed sensor, TSS. This sensor monitors the torque converter's rotational speed and transmits this information to the transmission control module, TCM. When the TCM detects an erratic or out-of-range input signal from the TSS sensor, it records code P0716. This sensor is key to ensuring smooth and efficient shifting of the automatic transmission, as it helps synchronize engine RPM with transmission operation. What are the symptoms of a P0716 fault? Rough or irregular transmission shifting, loss of power during acceleration, difficulty shifting gears. The vehicle may be stuck in a single gear or enter limp mode. Reduced fuel economy due to a transmission that does not shift properly. Important, the solution for this DDC varies by vehicle. If you want a custom DDC repair manual for your make, model, and year, order it here. I've left the link in the description and in the pinned comment. What causes DDC code P0716? Faulty input speed sensor or turbine sensor. Problems with the TSS sensor's wiring or electrical connections. Debris buildup or excessive wear inside the transmission affecting the sensor signal. Transmission control module, TCM, failure. Damage to the torque converter affecting the torque measured by the sensor. What are possible solutions for OBD2 code P0716? Replace the input speed sensor or turbine sensor if faulty. Check and repair any damage to the TSS sensor's wiring or connections. Perform transmission maintenance, such as changing the fluid or cleaning internal components, if wear or dirt is detected. Reprogram or replace the transmission control module, TCM, if faulty. Inspect and, if necessary, repair the torque converter if damaged. We'll answer some frequently asked questions. Can a vehicle with a P0716 code be driven? Driving a vehicle with a P0716 code is possible, but not recommended. This problem can cause transmission malfunctions, such as harsh shifting or the vehicle being stuck in a fixed gear, which can affect overall vehicle performance and lead to further damage if not repaired promptly. Additionally, if the vehicle goes into limp home mode, acceleration will be severely limited, posing a safety risk, especially in situations where a rapid engine response is required, such as when merging onto highways or passing other vehicles. It's important to resolve this fault as soon as possible to avoid serious and costly transmission damage. What sensors are related to the P0716 fault? The sensor directly linked to the P0716 code is the input speed sensor or turbine speed sensor, TSS. This sensor monitors the torque converter speed and transmits this data to the TCM to help control gear shifting. However, one must also consider the possibility that other sensors in the transmission system, such as the output speed sensor, OSS, could influence the detection of related problems if the readings between the two sensors do not match or are out of sync. How much would it cost to repair fault P0716? The cost of repairing fault P0716 depends primarily on the cause of the problem. If it is a faulty input speed sensor, TSS, the cost to replace this part can range from $100 to $250, depending on the vehicle model and the cost of workshop labor. If the problem involves the transmission or TCM, costs can be significantly higher, with transmission replacements or repairs ranging from $500 to $1,500 or more, depending on the severity of the damage. Therefore, an accurate diagnosis is crucial to avoid unnecessary expenses. Without further ado, I hope this video has been useful to you and you can solve your problem. See you in a next video. Bye-bye.